Brahmos missile misfire. Delhi High Court issues notice on Indian Air Force officer's plea against termination. The Delhi High Court Tuesday issued notice on a plea filed by an Indian Air Force officer who was sacked in connection with the accidental firing of a Brahmos combat missile which landed in Pakistan in March last year. A division bench of Justice Suresh Kumar Kate and Justice Neena Bansal Krishna sought response of the Union of India through Ministry of Defence, Chief of Air Staff and others on ex-wing commander Abhinav Sharma's plea challenging the termination order. Sharma has challenged the termination order issued against him on August 23, 2022, under Section 18 of the Air Force Act, 1950. It is the petitioner's case that he was imparted professional and practical training only for duties which are purely of maintenance in nature and that he was never imparted training on conduct of operations, being an engineering officer. The petitioner was not trained against the counts of blame apportioned to him in